The biggest problem that I run into within the Forex industry is people that are just starting out. They have no idea how to manage their risk. They don't know anything about support and resistance or when that should even be used to make informed decisions about trades. They really have no idea about patterns. They have no idea about the actual symbols. So in the beginning, it's kind of like you're throwing ideas at the wall and hoping that they stick, right? You're trying everything. People are trying algorithmic bots. They're trying AI bots. There's so many things that people will try to convince you that they have the secret sauce when you're first starting, and unfortunately, you just don't know if it's real or not. My name's John.Artzberger, and this is From Failure to Freedom. And on my channel, I help people get started in the online world. That's with affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and Forex. And today, we're going to be talking about a project that we actually started working on a year and a half ago with our own personal accounts and have now actually offered this publicly to people like you who are just starting in the Forex industry or even long-term traders that just want to automate their processes. So with that being said, let's head over to my YouTube so I can show you what I'm talking about. So if you're on my YouTube channel, From Failure to Freedom, you can actually click on the videos tab and you can scroll through and see some different videos that I have talking about Forex, what we do with Forex, how we trade Forex. We also have a lot of videos talking about affiliate marketing. You can go to playlists or the home tab and actually see full training series on affiliate marketing right here. So that's for people that are interested in that. But if you're here, chances are you're probably here to talk about Forex. What do I have that can benefit you in the Forex industry? So what I have is a company that we've actually developed called MyFreedomFX. And all you have to do is go to myfreedomfx.com. That's going to bring you over to this page. Let me just reload. Maybe my internet's bad. It's going to show you generally a video right there. So there'll be a video that's actually me talking in the video. So watch that video if you want, enter your information. And this is actually going to take you to a tutorial page that's going to show you, well, not just show you, but talk to you about a platform that we've developed to link your trading accounts directly to our own trading accounts. Meaning we do all of the trading for you and just charge you a fee to do that. You basically don't have to learn how to trade that way. You can just make money with it. So this is what most people are looking for, an option to actually earn passively, and we provide that option. So just go over to myfreedomfx.com and start there, watch the video, enter your information, go check out the tutorial. I'll show you what the tutorial looks like. When you guys sign up, you're going to get an email. In that email, it's going to send you over a link to the tutorial. You can click open here and just go into this. Okay, so the tutorial that I'm speaking about right now is called the Millionaire Maker. We also do prop firm management. So if for anybody who's looking for, some kind of way to earn passively with prop firms, I know a lot of people are talking about them. We also run prop firms ourselves. So we have a prop firm account right here, but the Millionaire Maker is going to be the one that we're talking about today. And that is for your personal trading account. Now, a couple things to go over. You do need a minimum of $500 in that account. That's because our fees, they're relatively low, but to actually make a return, a $500 investment would be kind of the minimum there so that you can actually start making money on the backside. Like I said, our fee to trade for you is actually relatively low. It's less than $70 per month, okay? Now that price will raise up over time. We've been running this for the past 6 months publicly for people, for clients that we have in the coaching space and things like that. Again, this is linked to our personal account. So if you guys want to learn more, go over to this tutorial and watch this first video right here. It says Step 0 Millionaire Maker Overview. This overview video is going to talk to you more in depth about what I'm going to be showing you today, okay? So when you guys go there, it's also going to send you over to our app. Now we have an app. You can get there by going to app.myfreedomfx.com. One thing to talk about, when you guys sign up for this free tutorial here so that you can check it out, this app you also have to sign up for. So these are two separate platforms. One's a tutorial, one is our actual app. So app.myfreedomfx.com is where you're going to actually see our signals page. These are the signals that you will be linking to your personal accounts. Now, for example here, if you look down here at the Millionaire Maker, this is the signal we're kind of mentioning today. We're going to click on View Signal. Right now, we're sitting at a 39.52% growth. Last month, we hit 92% growth. This month has been kind of a crappy month. This is real trading, by the way. We do, we're not trying to sell you any kind of bullshit here. There's gonna be wins, there's gonna be losses. You can see right here our actual win rate, and this is live data. This never changes. You're gonna have access to this exact dashboard that you can actually link your account to and start watching as the trade's going up and down and whatever else. This is a long-term investment. So this is like an RRSP. So if you were working for a company and you're paying into an RRSP every month, your goal with that is to save that up to about $1 million over 30 years or something like that. With the Millionaire Maker, the way that we run our trading, you can take a $2,500 account and build it to $1 million within 4 years. So this is a long-term investment, but we have significant growth each month. Our average growth is 50% growth on your account. Some months are going to be a little bit less. Obviously this month we're sitting a little bit less, but last month we were at 92% growth. So it's going to go up and down depending on the market, because this is real life. So what I try to tell people, when you guys link your account here, just expect this to be realistic. This is not going to be a fast win. You're going to have millions of dollars overnight. That's not how we trade. That's risky trading. We manage our risk very strictly with this trading. Actually, every trade that we take has a take profit and a stop loss. We also have preloaded trades, and during certain times of the year, if the market is not doing well, we aren't going to be pushing trades. So what I mean by that is, let's say last month was a really strong month. We maybe did 200, 250 trades, but this month it's actually kind of a significant month because the symbols themselves, some of them, the gold symbol especially, has hit all-time highs. Now, what that means is when you're trading, okay, let me just show you an example here. I'm going to pull this up. When you're trading, this is what trading looks like. So when you're trading, this is what it kind of looks like. You start off right here at kind of a base level. This is where you enter your money, right? You enter your money here. Now you're right at the beginning of your trading. So you take a couple trades. You're going to maybe go up here and profit a little bit. Then you might have a couple losing trades. You'll go down a little bit. Have some other winning trades. Maybe you go way up. Then maybe you have a bad month. You go down a little bit. You go back up, you go down, you go back up, you go down, but we're always trying to go up, right? We're always trying to grow our account. And this is where you can see the account growth right here. So you can see that there's growth on the account, and you can check each month what you're earning, what your growth is, what your percentages are. You can see this by just checking in this data right here on the app. You're going to have access to this app. You can also see what you're winning each month, right? Here. So you can look right here at your win percentage, right here at your loss percentage, right? You can see the averages for each one over here. Long wins, short wins, best trades, worst trades. You can see absolutely all of the data in these accounts by following this. But why we do this is because we want to keep everything open exactly how there's no fudging the data here. There's nothing that we're trying to change. This is going to stay in here for the remainder of time. You're going to be linked to this account directly. This account is one of our personal accounts. Our other personal accounts are actually linked to this trading signal through this app, through this software that we developed. So your accounts will be too, but I just want you guys to have a realistic idea of what trading is, okay? The way that we use trading is we use it as a long-term investment so that we can earn money over time. There's not a lot of things that you can put a little bit of money into and actually grow to $1 million over a few years. There's really almost nothing. Nothing without risk, right? So if you look at like crypto, yeah, a couple people got in, threw in $1,000 and bam, crypto blew up. That was during the crypto boom, by the way. Now more people have lost more money in crypto than people that have made money. Crypto is extremely volatile, but within the Forex industry, being one of the highest industries in the world for gains, I mean, there's billions and billions, I think there's trillions of dollars actually that goes through the Forex industry every day. So there is a lot of money to be made if you know how to do it. If you're safe, if you pay attention to what's happening. We don't use bots, by the way. None of this is controlled by bots. We have real people making real trades. Some of the trades are pre-programmed, and that's because we're waiting for a certain position to hit, and then we will take a trade. So we will have some pre-programmed trades. You'll see them in your dashboard. And then if that position is hit, if that's reached, then we will actually take the trade and go with it. But typically this is going to be pretty straightforward. You enter your information, you enter your broker account. We're not actually linked directly to your broker account. You're actually linking your account to our software. So we can't access your broker account. We don't have any of your passwords. I won't even have your password to our own app. Only you will have that. This is going to be your data. It's all safe. It's all secure. So you're just linking it in to actually get the trade sent over to your account. It works really, really well. And it's probably the easiest way for anybody in the beginner arena of Forex trading to actually make money and make returns. But again, keep in mind, this is a long-term investment. This is not going to be a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not something that you're gonna make $1 million overnight. It's just not gonna happen. But if you wanna have consistent revenue coming in, once you get this account to around $10,000, $15,000, technically you could just live off of the profit that you're bringing in every month. You could pull out your profit if you want and just keep it at that 10 or 15,000 every month, or you can pull out half of your profit and let it continue to grow and continue to grow and continue to grow. And with this specific account, we're not putting in another penny. We are just gonna let this grow. Now, I've added money to this a couple times, but we're leaving it from here. We're not adding another penny. We're just gonna let this grow and let this grow. And you guys are gonna be able to follow along with it and see kind of how it's going. So really easy to get started. All you have to do is go to myfreedomfx.com, watch the tutorial. It's only a couple minutes long. You'll be set up and ready to go within 20 minutes. If you have your own broker, that's fine, but we do use MT4 or MT5. That's the requirement. So if your broker does not have MT4 or MT5, you're gonna have to go with our broker that we use. This is a reliable broker. We've been using them for a long, long time. Very trustworthy. I've pulled money out hundreds of times with them already. And they also have met all the requirements to actually use MetaTrader. If you guys are new to Forex, or maybe you've been in Forex the last little while, you probably would have seen that a lot of companies had to give up their access to MetaTrader because they couldn't meet the requirements that MetaQuotes had put forward. This company can. This company meets all of the requirements. They have 24/7 staff available. They have a real phone number to call if you want to talk to their support. They're a real company. They're registered. They are a legitimate broker, and I trust them. That's why we have them and use them and tell people about them. And you'll actually see the broker that we use in this tutorial. If you go to step 3, they'll say set up your broker. You can just click right here, and this is our recommended broker. You guys will hop over to their page, create your broker account, and then you can add your money and whatever else. Now, with this, I want you guys to also realize you have the access to actually pull your capital out whenever you want. Let's say you get in, you're trading for a little while, you have a bill that comes up and you need $10,000. You can pull that out of your account right now, instantly. Pull it out. You have access to that. It's your money, it's your account, it's your broker. We don't have access to that. We don't control anything with the broker. We're simply doing a trading service. We're letting you trade on the back of our own accounts. That's what we're doing. And when you guys actually choose to follow a signal here, if you're on the app.myfreedomfx.com, you just click this button up here. Well, first you want to open up your accounts and everything like that. Follow along with the tutorial. It'll tell you what to do. But once you do want to follow it, you can click follow. And here's our fees right here. You can see $187 for 3 months. Now these will be raising over time, but right now in the beginning, we just want you guys to get a chance to get in, start building up some money, and then we'll deal with that pricing later on, probably 6 months down the road from this point. So yeah, anyway, very cheap to actually use the software itself, and you guys are gonna love it. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to support. Once you guys are on the app, we have 24/7 available support. You can contact them, send an email. You always get a response back. Anything that you need help with, we're here to help. That being said, thanks a lot for watching the video today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a text message. My number's at the bottom of the screen. That's my cell phone number. I always answer it. Other than that, if you got anything out of this video, do me a favor and like the video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you're notified when my next videos drop. I have a lot of follow-up videos and different things like that that you might find interesting. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next video.